Yep.
You see, guys, everyone.
I'm seeing it. I'm seeing it.
I got much in your Counter-Strike gameplay.
Yes. We are doing train collection.
45 stars.
Yes,
Holy
yes.
shit.
I'm spending 40 of them. Matthias, you here?
Yep.
Theo?
Is that the new collection?
I'm here, yeah. Go
Okay.
ahead, go ahead.
All right.
Ooh. Minimal wear.
It's the Farmless or whatever it's called, bro.
Og.
What's
Ready
the
for
actual,
not getting
what's
shit.
the actual name?
Green apple. Okay, buddy. Factory new.
Alright, Gio, no need to fucking roast them now.
Oh my days, we are
Oh
getting the
god,
worst.
You not having good luck or something?
No. I clearly don't.
Oh my god, bro.
Okay, stop with the fucking soundboard. Oh my days. Wow.
How many fucking galils do you need? Oh my god.
Minimal wear.
God
as
damn,
well.
brother, you're getting the worst shit ever. Come on.
Go again,
Get one,
man.
get one. Oh my. Oh damn.
Can you stop with the
Dude,
soundboard?
yeah, man.
Brian, stop with the soundboard, Brian.
Oh! Oh!
Okay. Wow. Blue.
Wow, battle
Look
skirt.
at that. Bad.
Last
God,
one.
amazing.
Holy, you clearly cannot
You cannot get
profit
any
these
worse than
days.
this.
It just cannot get
Yeah,
any
I mean,
worse.
Yeah.
Fair enough, bro.
2.2. I guess I'll see you in the
Good
next
idea.
one.
Oh shit, yeah. Alright.